Hey, this is going to be 10.1. I'm just making this video because I got a comment saying that they want to know how to create a delay between the enemy types within a wave, or like creating some type of separation between the wave. And it's super easy to set up, so I'm just going to show you that. I'm going to show you that real quick. So all you got to do is go into this S enemies, add a variable, and we're going to call it delay between enemies. Between enemies, doesn't matter what you call it. We're going to call it type float, and I'm going to make this an array. So I'm going to save that. I'm going to close this, and we're going to go into the data table. So in the data table, I'm just going to leave 3 the same way it is, and then 3 and 2. So I'm going to leave the first line blank, because the first line blank would be for the first enemy, but since it's the first enemy, it's just going to delay how long it takes to get into the game. So I am going to increase this, the one that's index 1. So that'll increase the amount of delay between 3 and 2. So I'm going to make that something crazy like 5. All right. And then just to show you how it works with 3, I'm just going to make this like 2, and then this one like 4. Okay. Save that. Now the final step is us literally just going into third person blueprints, third person character. And I'm just going to go in here where we have all of our other gets and stuff. And as you can see here, we have the new variable right here. So I'm going to drag off this array, and I'm going to get a copy of it. Get a copy. And then I'm going to take this enemy select, I'm going to attach it to it. And then I'm going to create my delay right here. So if I put a delay here, I'm just going to attach this get node to it. And once it finishes its cycle, it creates a new, for the new enemy select, it's going to delay it however, whatever we put it at. So let's compile and save this. I'm going to hit play. Enter. The first one's not going to have any delay because there's, oh my goodness, it's kind of loud. Let's turn that down. It's not going to have any delay because there's only one. Now there should be a delay between these, and I think I set it at 5 seconds or something. It's going to be pretty long. Yep. Cool. And then this one's going to have 2 different types of delay, or 2 different lengths of delay. So that's a 2. And the second one I made 4. And that's the 4-second delay. And that is it. If you guys have any more like questions or literally anything, put it down in the comment section and I'll answer it, or, make a video about it or whatever. I did both in this circumstance, so yeah. And that's it. Bye.